What's the meaning of Crufts? Crufts. Crufts.
Crufts. Crufts. Crufts is an annual international dog show held in the UK since 1891. It is the largest and most prestigious dog show in the world. The event showcases various breeds of purebred dogs from around the world competing in categories like obedience, agility, and showmanship. Winners receive titles such as Best in Show and Reserve Best in Show. The event attracts thousands of visitors each year and is broadcast globally. It has become a beloved cultural tradition for dog enthusiasts and a celebration of the diversity and beauty of man's best friend.